Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install RHEL server 9.5 version on VirtualBox. First to download, go to developers.redhat.com. Click on products, then click on Red Hat Enterprise Linux, then click on download or sign up. Then go to the bottom, scroll down. See here we have the RHEL 10. It is beta version, so not recommended. See here we have the RH 9.5. See here, this is the DVD file and this is the boot ISO file. So DVD ISO is the full featured rich ISO file. So I am going to download this one. Click on download. I will keep this link in the video description. See, download started. But for you, it will ask you to the login. So see here, I have already logged in. So I am able to download directly. For you, you have to. If you don't have account, you have to sign up for free and Control J. See, download started and its size is 11 gigabytes. So I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. Go through it and install it. Now click on New or Machine and selecting both the same. Then provide the name RHEL 95 VMO. See, this is virtual machine name. Then provide the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want to change some other location, select it other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then we have to select the ISO image. Click on drop down and select other. Then select the downloaded ISO file. See, I kept it here. Click on open. Then once we selected ISO image, see the type change it to Linux, subtype to Red Hat and version to Red Hat 64-bit. Then select this skip unattended installation. Then come to hardware. If you don't select this skip unattended installation, it automatically installs. So provide RAM as 4 GB. It is up to you. I am giving 4. Number of CPU cores to hard disk. I am giving 100 gigabytes. If you are okay with all the settings, click on finish. Still, if you want to edit settings, click on edit settings. Click on settings or right click on settings or machine and settings. All three options are same. So if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.5 and hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. See here, begin installation has been grayed out. Why? Because the items or the options that are marked with red color must be filled. Okay. Go to installation destination. I am working with the default one. So select it. Root password. Provide the password. Confirm the same. If you want to log the root account, you have to select the checkbox. Otherwise, unselect it and click on done. See, now we are able to click on begin installation. Before it was grayed out. Now create user, and this is the username. Above is the full user full name. And if you want to make this as user, make this user as administrator, select the checkbox. Then provide the password. Then click on done. But the most important option is you have to select the software selection. Go to here, click on software selection. See here we have the server with GUI. By default it has selected server with GUI, but I want to install only server, so select this server. Then select the additional softwares. See here. See, if you want to select any one of these additional options, you have to select the checkboxes. At this moment, I want only server, no GUI. Okay. Then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This may take time. I am pausing this video, and at the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will perform the post installation steps. Now we have to provide the username that we have created. I have created username R2schools. Then provide the password. Verify the hostname. We see here VBX is the hostname. So now we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update, but we will get the error. I will show you the error. Hit enter. We will get this subscription. See, the system is not registered with an entitled server, so we have to subscribe. So run the command subscribe. Go to here, subscribe, manager, register, hyphen username. See, it is registering system. Okay, we have successfully registered. Now update the packages. Same, running the command sudo dnf update -- sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. See, now we haven't received error. This may take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install RHEL 9.5 server edition on VirtualBox. For more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.